Hi, I'm Nina from Klaasman. Here we have our latest project. It's Renaissance luxury and it's very special. Come have a look. The first thing that you'll see when you enter this house is this very incredible TV cabinet design with a fireplace. But the best design is actually this custom-made chandelier with this special-made cornice design, very unique for the client's pleasure while they're watching TV. From the entrance door, you walk straight to the foyer area here, which is tucked in a corner, and it has a storage room hidden in this wall paneling. And from the wall paneling, you walk straight to the dining area. So as you can see, it's an open concept space area from the dining towards the living area, and it has a dry kitchen that is anchored with this beautiful archway. You can see straight to the dining area, and it has a very luxurious look to it. The other challenge that we have in this house is actually separating the spaces, because it has an open space planning, but we wanted to anchor each area to visually to look like it's divided into separate areas. So we designed the ceiling to be separated by having this strip ceiling design from the dining area, separated from the living area, and then we have the living area with a special design circular shape cornice. It's actually specially made, and it has that beautiful round chandelier custom sculpture design that we imported. The dining area was a dilemma for us because at first the client wanted to have a 10-seater at the space. It was supposed to be a grand and long dining, but the client decided that they wanted an 8-seater only, and it became an advantage to us because we managed to slot in this piano right next to the terrace entry, and it became a very nice transition from the dining towards the terrace. So the dry kitchen design is very unique. We wanted to do something very special and very dramatic in a way, but at the same time it's practical. So here we have the island counter. It is actually a very unique design. It has this angular shaped design with a lighted LED at the bottom. It is actually sintered stone, but it's an imitation of a marble called Calcutta viola. So it's very durable and it's very nice. The kitchen cabinet design here is carrying a lot of dark undertones, but we have the lighter and dramatic marble tone to complement that. And along with the feature here, we have this copper colored rose gold sort of metallic cabinetry to really pop that color and also make it outstanding. From the dry kitchen area, we enter towards the staircase area. Here we have a recessed corner with a sculpture inside it, and we have a feature wall. It has a hidden door that goes towards the maid's room. Very seamless, quite beautiful as well. Here we are at the rooftop area. So this place was barely furnished. We only got the empty decking and also empty space with the skylight. So we added these WPC wood louvers, but we customized the brackets ourselves, and we also added the wood wall paneling using WPC material as well. Here we are at the outdoor terrace area. The client wanted something special here, which he can enjoy the outdoors without worrying about rain or very strong sunlight. Here we extended the roof all the way to this side, and we have an open bench space connected to the planter and all the way to this water feature, which has a very special deer sculpture that we ordered specifically overseas for the clients to enjoy aesthetically. The whole space looks like a Zen garden, and over here we have a custom-made swing helped by metal structure and strong ropes. All the things in this space, especially the ones that you see at my back here, is the mountain tile, was actually hand sketched on site, and we marked the tiles and cut on site to create this mountain foliage with the LED lighting, and everything was really planned out as well as we could. So there you have it, our latest unique design, and we hope that you've been inspired by our designs as much as we do. So don't forget to subscribe, like, follow and share our social medias all across from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and also Facebook. And I'll see you soon. Bye!